Hello class, it's me, your teacher. I'm not here today, but I do want you to do your work and please follow the instructions and listen to the substitute. You are still going to be working on your cell books. Today's the last day that you have to work on them, so you need to use your time wisely, because next time I see you, your book's going to be due at the beginning of the period. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. You shall be using your laptops today. If you don't have your laptops, you're welcome to share, but you need to be working. If you're not working, the sub will separate you. Okay? I want you to go ahead and do the Amoeba Sisters worksheet and learn about homeostasis. And I want you to include this definition in your final draft of your book. Okay, as you watch the video, you can see it's an easy definition. You could either include it in your cell transport page, you can include it in your introduction, or you can include it in your conclusion. Because homeostasis is what all the cell processes do to make sure the cell is living. And homeostasis is the cell living. So you need to include this very easy definition that she's going to explain in your cell book, and you need to complete the one-page worksheet. Remember, you have 90 minutes, so there's plenty of time for you to do the worksheet, do your books. There's supplies at the front of the room and at the side of the room. You're welcome to use the construction paper, the string, the staples. Remember, there's a video here on how to make a book without using string and staples, and it's probably the best way you can do it. So if you want to go ahead and watch that video and make that book that way, it's only like a 5-minute video. But there's plenty for you to do today. So here's the rubric again that I'm going to be using to grade you. This worksheet that you should have completed by now has all the processes that I want in your books. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Make sure you explain them where kids can understand them. This video has examples of analogies, and you have simple definitions and analogies in your notebooks. So you have all the things you need to get your cell book done. And again, here are some examples if you want to take a look. And you may use PowerPoint, you may use construction paper. That is up to you. Just because I'm not here, I'm still going to have it turned in the next time I see you. Okay, finally, if you finish your worksheet on the Amoeba Sisters, remember you just watch the video and do the worksheet. It's a one page. Turn that into the sub. Work on your cell book. And make sure you include the definition homeostasis somewhere in your book. And then, finally, if you're finished with all that, then you can go ahead and start on homework 4. And if you have not done, because I still have a lot of zeros for homework, if you have not done homeworks 1, 2, 3, or 4, go ahead and do them. Okay, so you just click on the video and summarize the video or take notes on the video. You'll turn that in when you see me. Or you can do the chapter. You just click the chapter button. You might have to make a online username, and then go to the chapter that I have assigned. Alright, so again, everyone knows what to do. Just to sum up one more time, just because I'm not there does not mean I expect you to not work. I am going to still expect your book to be done. Turn in at the beginning of class. This is the last class period I'm giving you to work on this, to have your final draft done, your homeostasis worksheet done, and you're welcome to do your homework once you're done with those 2 tasks. Okay, I'll see you guys Tuesday. Big book will be officially done Tuesday.